Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart for Home. Today, I'm going to show you how to connect your Eufy Smart Lock E30 to Alexa. By linking these devices, you can enjoy hands-free control of your lock using simple voice commands. So, let's get started. Step 1. Ensure compatibility. First things first, make sure your Eufy Smart Lock E30 is properly installed and configured in the Eufy Security app. Also, double-check that you have an Amazon Echo device and your Alexa app is up and running on your smartphone. Step 2. Update firmware. Next, ensure your Eufy Smart Lock E30 has the latest firmware. Open the Eufy Security app, select your smart lock, and check for any available updates under the settings menu. Running the latest firmware ensures a smooth connection with Alexa. Step 3. Enable the Eufy Security skill in Alexa app. Now, open the Alexa app on your smartphone. Tap the More icon at the bottom right and select Skills and Games. In the search bar, type Eufy Security and select it. Then, tap Enable to Use and log in with your Eufy account credentials to link the two services. Step 4. Authorize device access. Once you've logged in, Alexa will ask for permission to access your Eufy devices. Tap Authorize to allow this access. It's a crucial step to let Alexa control your smart lock. Step 5. Discover devices. Next, tap Discover devices in the Alexa app. Alexa will scan your network and find your Eufy Smart Lock E30. Once it's discovered, you can assign it to a specific group or room, making it easier to manage. Now, let's test it out. Try saying, Alexa, lock the front door. Alexa should confirm and lock the Eufy Smart Lock E30. You can also ask, Alexa, is the front door locked, to check the lock status. Conclusion. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Eufy Smart Lock E30 to Alexa. Now you can enjoy the convenience of controlling your lock with just your voice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more smart home tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.